Hello friends, so in the previous video we have discussed about the impact of no rate limit, and in this video we'll show you that how we can mitigate those no rate limit vulnerability. So let's see, and the first point is here. So I can recommend that any of the organization can use captcha on registration page, and same as on forget password page. I think I write it both times. So they can use also on the forget password page. Apart from this, they can use the limit of any request for forget the password. Let's say there is a lot of things. If there is some OTP, then they can also set the limit of that OTP message, and they can also set the limit of any request, whatever the request user trying to do for forgetting the password. Let's say maybe 10, maybe 15, whatever the company want, they can just set that. And if they don't want to do that, then just add those captcha in the forget password page and registration page. So what will happen with these things, that any individual will need to manually enter those captcha. That's what the thing, that Bob suit, even after capturing those requests in the Bob suit, the captcha will automatically get changed every time. So these things will not be automated, right? So there will be a need of human interaction for that, and that's what the thinking of that. So this is whole things regarding the mitigation of no rate limit. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next video as a POC of hackerone report. So I will show you that with the help of no rate limit, which is a very easy vulnerability, I guess, and you can earn a lot of money with that no rate limit vulnerability. I will show you that how many are persons on hackerone already have earned that. So bye bye, take care till then. Okay guys, so in this video we'll talk about the hackerone all reports regarding no rate limit vulnerability. So let me show you one by one that how many bounty you can just uh, get from this no rate limit. So here you can see he is one of the person who done the no rate limit on email lists to use mass mailings, right? So he got for that $140. So what he did, you can see the reports. Hi team, I have found on this website. On this website he found the DOS attack. Okay, sorry, it's not a DOS attack, right? So it's a vulnerability, pure vulnerability. He used the Bob suit as we were doing, correct? And you can see here what he has done, the address, email IDs, right? Keys. Okay, great. So that's what was the email bomb hack, and it can be a you can say sometimes very annoying for a user. So they prove it as a valid, and they have given them $140 as a bounty for that. So $140, I mean, it's a very easy. First thing is that no rate limit is very easy, and you are getting $140 for that. So it's a good amount, I can say. Okay, so next one here that person has got $300, right, for the same no rate limit on license activation. So not, it is not mandatory that you are going to on the forget password page and registration page. You can go somewhere else, right? So these are the reports which can be very helpful for you. So see, no rate limit on license activation. He just give these things: request, description, and steps to reproduce. Click on enter activation code button, intercept request using Bob suit and sender the intruder, add payload. Okay, see, you will get 200 okay set with the key. These things doesn't exist as of now. So that's what guys, and he got the $300 just for this one. Okay, next one, in this one he got the 251, yeah, the forget password, right? So as we I think we already have showed you that this one, forget password one. So he got the $250 for that. So that's amazing. I mean, that's a very easy task, and you are getting awarded for these money. That's quite impressive. I mean, $300, if you are Indian, $300 means it near about 22,000 to 25,000. So definitely just giving your 2 hours or 1 hour for no rate limit, that's a great amount, I can say. So you can see, and make sure that guys always each and every time whenever you are doing something now, then just check and read all the write-ups, whatever the write-ups, check all the activity of hackerone. That will increase your knowledge, right? I can only guide you, right? But if you are thinking that you will get to know each and every things in a single attempt, it's not possible, guys, right? See, this is bug bounty. You need to find bug. This is how it works. So here it is. Oh my god, here it is. He got the $500. You can see here, right? So it was disclosed on 8 Feb 2020, just 1 year ago. So he got the $500 for that. Means 35 to 40,000, I guess, if I will change it in the Indian rupees. Here he got the $200. Okay, where he find no limit on the report functionality led to delete any comment when it is unable, right? So here what he have done, it is something new. Okay, by default of functionality enable, but if you number of reports before deleting comment, an attacker can spamming this functionality and delete your comment. See, the attacker can delete the comment as well. Logging into this, create your own site, okay, and follow the instruction using generic install. After setup, on click moderate, okay, go to the comment setting by clicking to comments, set up the report functionality, and go to your site and add a comment. Right with the other comment, go to your site and report the comment manually 10 times, okay, into 10. After spam the report functionality, refresh the page and you will see the comment is deleted, correct? So that's what the vulnerability was there, and they have rewarded it for $200. Similarly, here you can see there is a $100 for email led to email flooding, right? And here it is $200 missing rate limit for current password. So there was no password. I mean, you can send the thousands of password for the account takeover. So that was a valid vulnerability, and they have rewarded for $200. So there are a lot of more, but definitely I think it's enough for that, just to make you understand. And you can also research from your side that what are the other ways of doing the no rate limit, because there are many one, like OTP message already we have showed you in the mail, but also you will get on the numbers as well. So you can also check those. And if we find anything interesting more, we'll add the videos more in that link after even the even after the publishing of this course. So bye bye, take care, guys. Okay, guys, so in this video we'll talk about the no rate limit impact. What is the impact of no rate limit on any organization or any company? So let's see one by one. So you can think about that, all the impacts what can it can be, because you have already learned the no rate limit, and I have shown you the practical way that how the full approach, that how you can get through it. Okay, so the first one is it can annoy any individual who even did not registered on your organization but got the registration mail. So I have shown you that there were 5 to 6 emails which were in a single time we were able to register 5 or 6 emails, or you can say multiple emails on a single time. So anybody can so let's suppose that you didn't register on that website and you are getting a mail from that website. So definitely is going to be a annoying email, you can say, because you will think that you didn't register, even then also you are getting those emails. So this is one of the impact. The individual can stop using the organization services. So let's say there is a forget password email, and I'm just flooding those all reset password. Then an individual can stop those services, because it can be a very annoying type of things for them. So this is also one of the impact. It can lead to financial loss in a case of any your business client, employees and himself getting these types of emails, right? So let's say there is a employee, and or you can say directly client of any organization who invested in that organization, right? So now that client or their employees are getting those emails from that company, even they didn't registered, even they didn't requested for the forget password, even they are getting those emails. So this might be led to a financial loss for the that organization, because the client can stop those services, right? And it can lead to business risk. That's what we have discussed in these 3 points. And the next one, guys, the reputation of company can be impacted, right? So there is a very high chances that the brand reputation of that company can damage, because even the small vulnerability can be a big threat for any company. So as the individual can think that the organization is not concerned about the security, so it will be a negative impact of the organization in people's mind. So let's say you daily use Google Chrome, right? And Google always just asked you that fill these things, and sending you unwanted emails, right? So definitely you will just thick and tired that why Google is doing these things. So there will be some negative impact of any individual regarding that organization. So this is what the impact of any of no rate limit on any organization. So I hope you understand, guys. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet in the next video with the mitigation of these no rate limit.